This is a Year 6 maths lesson where the children are trying to do an investigation based on moving frogs in the peach family from one side of the pond to the other, and moving the blue frogs from the other side over also. Several conditions: that the frog's not allowed to go backwards, they are not allowed to move over more than one frog at a time, and we're hoping that we can increase the amount of lily pads and increase the amount of frogs on each side, and then eventually be able to come up with a formula and a general rule that would work for any number of frogs. So far the children seem to find it fairly easy to work out that the minimum number of moves when there are 5 lily pads and 2 frogs on each side was actually 8. The difficulty they're having now is that they've moved to 7 lily pads with 3 frogs on each side, and they think they may have found a solution, but they can't necessarily remember it to tell me and show me afterwards. Have you done it once yet, boys? Or
yeah, we did it on Facebook.
But on this number, have you done it once and forgotten, or are you still trying? They've managed it over there once but couldn't demonstrate it to me. Right, you think you can show me then? Come on then.
Just done it again.
So that's twice now that I haven't seen it.
So we went 1, 2, 2, and then we went 3, 4, 5. No, we didn't. No, this is
Are you going to be third time lucky?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then
that blue one looks a bit boxed in to me at this side. How are you going to move that blue one? Because the peach ones can't go back, can they? Try again, I think. How are we doing over here? We managed to solve it on 3 frogs on each side. Do you think 16? Can you show me?
I can't remember how.
Oh. Come on, have a go at showing me then.
Harry, help me. What did this one for this?
Oh, you've blocked yourself already.
3.
Count it as you go along so we can hear, please.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, you ended up with 2 blues together.
We've done it, but in 15.
Right then, show me. Come on, boys, confidence.
So we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Well done. That was much more convincing. Right, what's your next challenge then?
We need to do a family of 4 with 9 lily pads.
Right, make sure you record it on your table, please, before you move on. Well done. Okay, Ren, these 3 boys have quite successfully managed to do 2 frogs in each team, 3 frogs in each team, 4 frogs in each team, and then they were starting to think about making predictions. So before they even did the 5 frogs, you can see that they've made a prediction underneath that they thought it was going to be 35. And then when they've actually done it, they got 35. For 6, they've already predicted it's going to be 48, and for 7, they've already predicted it's going to be 63. Can you explain to me why you made those predictions, please?
Well, I figured out that the difference between 8 and 15 is 7.
So that was between 2 frogs, 8 jumps, and 3 frogs, 15 jumps.
And then I figured out that the difference between the 15 jumps and the 24 jumps is 9.
Right.
So every time it's been going up in 2. So I figured that the one after must be going up by 11. So that was 35, then it will be 13, then it will be 15.
I like your reasoning. And did you find that to be the case when you actually did it? Did you actually find it was 35?
Yeah.
Do you think you can show me on camera now?
Yeah.
7, 8. Count nice and loud so I can hear you.
10, 11, no, 11,
Did you manage it in 35 then?
Yes.
Well done. Right, what are you going to do next then to see whether your theory works, boys? Test it for what? What are you going to try now to see whether your prediction's making sense?
How much 6 frogs in the family is?
And you think it will be?
48.
48, right. Well, what you have to do then is test it out. Well done.